Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we have something special for all you outdoor enthusiasts and gardeners out there. The Wall & C pole saws for tree trimming. In this video, we'll take a closer look at why the Wall & C pole saw is considered the best pole saw available, and we'll show you how easy it is to assemble and use. First, let's talk about what sets this pole saw apart from the rest. It all starts with a sharp saw blade. The blade features a three-sided sharpened edge and a double-sided barbed design, making it incredibly efficient at cutting through branches. What's more, it's made of durable MN steel material, which is not only strong but also rust-resistant, ensuring longevity and reliability. Now, let's talk about safety and comfort. The pole is constructed from high-quality grade steel with a power-coated finish. The saw blade is made of MN steel, making it rust-free and sturdy. But what really stands out is the anti-slip handle grip, providing comfort and safety during operation. You can trust this pole saw for pruning and trimming even at higher positions without the need for a ladder. Assembly is a breeze. The Wall & C pole saw comes with 5, 7, or 10 sections of stainless steel poles that are anti-rust, durable, and easy to assemble. You can adjust the length according to your needs, making it versatile for various tasks. Now, let's see this pole saw in action. With lengths ranging from 7.7 feet to an impressive 14 feet, it can reach higher than a ladder. It's not only great for tree pruning but also for tasks like trimming oak, palm fronds, pines, firs, and more. And here's the cherry on top. It comes with a warranty. If you have any questions or issues with the product, the manufacturer is ready to provide a professional solution. Plus, they offer a satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely happy with the pole saw, you'll get a refund, no questions asked. So, there you have it, folks. The Wall & C pole saws for tree trimming is the best pole saw you can find. It's sharp, safe, durable, and versatile. Everything you need for your outdoor trimming and pruning tasks. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. And as always, the product link is in the description below. Happy trimming, everyone!